This video shows you how to install and set up your SkyBell Trim 2 Pro Video Doorbell. There are a few steps to complete the process. First, you'll check that your existing doorbell is wired and working. Then you'll determine your door chime type, and if necessary, install the digital doorbell adapter. After that, it's time to mount your Trim 2 Pro to your home. And finally, download the SkyBell HD mobile app and finish setup from there. Most of the items you'll need to complete the installation are in the box: the Trim 2 Pro Video Doorbell, the mounting bracket, wall screws, LED reference card, and, if needed, masonry anchors. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pencil. You may need a step stool to install the digital doorbell adapter and a drill with a 6mm or 1/4 inch masonry bit if you plan to install your doorbell in stucco, brick, or stone. Finally, you'll need your smartphone or tablet to complete setup with the SkyBell HD mobile app. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your doorbell. There are two key components to your doorbell. One is the button you press outside your home, and the other is the chime box inside your home. The Trim 2 Pro is designed to replace an existing wired doorbell. Test that the existing doorbell is working by pressing the button and listening for your indoor chime to ring. If you don't have an existing doorbell, or the existing doorbell does not ring when the button is pushed, you will need to consult an electrician before beginning the installation process. Step 2. Check your chime. Next, head inside to check your existing door chime. The purpose of this step is to determine whether you need to install the digital doorbell adapter. To do so, you'll need to identify what type of door chime you have. First, find where your existing chime box is located in your home. Chime boxes come in a variety of styles and are usually mounted on a wall near the front door or in a hallway. If you can't find the chime box, ring the doorbell and follow the sound to locate it. SkyBell works with mechanical and digital door chimes. To confirm whether you have a mechanical or digital door chime, press the doorbell button. If the chime makes a classic ding-dong sound, then you have a mechanical door chime. If the door chime plays a melody, you have a digital door chime. If you're not sure what type of chime you have, just by the look and sound alone, you can also remove the cover. Mechanical door chimes have a physical striker inside that makes the ding-dong sound, whereas digital door chimes tend to have a speaker. If you've determined that you have a mechanical chime, you do not require the adapter. Replace the chime cover if you've removed it, and skip ahead to the next step: installing your Trim 2 Pro Video Doorbell. If you have a digital chime, you will need to install the adapter before mounting your Trim 2 Pro doorbell. The digital doorbell adapter is needed to ensure power flows equally between your door chime and your video doorbell. Installing the digital doorbell adapter. First, turn off power to the doorbell and chime at your circuit breaker. Test the power is off by pressing the doorbell button. Remove the chime box cover. Some covers pull off. Others have screws that need to be removed. Now, take a picture of the wiring before you get started in case you need to refer to the original wiring later on. Let's quickly get acquainted with the wiring inside your chime box and the parts of your digital adapter. When attaching the adapter, you are essentially linking the chime with your video doorbell outside and the transformer that powers your doorbell. Not all chimes have the exact same internal wiring, but you should see wires inside and labels that indicate front, as in the front door, and trans, as in the transformer. Now let's take a closer look at the digital doorbell adapter. On this side there are two ports where you'll insert the wires from the chime box, and on top there are two leads for you to attach the adapter to the chime box. Tip: tape the reference card below the chime box to accurately wire the adapter. First, remove the wires from the terminals labeled front and trans. You may need to unscrew them to remove. Straighten out the wires and insert one wire into each port on the digital doorbell adapter. It doesn't matter which wire goes into which white port. Now secure the adapter leads to the front and trans terminals on your digital chime. Again, it doesn't matter which lead goes into which terminal. Tightly screw in to secure the wires. Now close up the door chime box. It's important to remember that you will need to enable digital door chime in the app once you have installed and set up your video doorbell. This step is key to ensuring the digital doorbell adapter is recognized. Now you're ready to install the Trim 2 Pro Video Doorbell. Step 3. Install Trim 2 Pro Video Doorbell. First, turn off the power to the doorbell and chime at your circuit breaker. Test that the power is off by pressing the doorbell button. First, unscrew your old doorbell. Now disconnect the wires. Bend them down or tape them down to make sure they don't fall back into the wall while you're preparing to install the mounting bracket. The next step is to install the mounting bracket. You'll notice that there is a piece of tape at the bottom of the bracket. This tape is covering the set screw that secures the video doorbell in place. This screw is tiny. Pull off the tape, but do not remove the screw. You'll be reminded of this a few steps from now. After removing the tape, feed the existing wires through the center of the mounting bracket. Place the mounting bracket at the desired location, making sure it is level. Using a pencil, mark the location for the screw holes. If you have stucco, brick, or stone siding, use a 6 mm or 1/4 inch masonry drill bit. Drill pilot holes for the wall anchors. Push or hammer the wall anchors into the pilot holes. Insert the doorbell wires through the hole in the mounting bracket. Place the mounting bracket over the marked location for the screws and screw the mounting bracket into the siding or wall. Here's a tip. Use a Phillips head screwdriver for this step to avoid over-tightening and bending or breaking the plate. Put the bracket where you like it, position it centered, and hand tighten it so that the plate doesn't move and you can adjust it to the appropriate position. Now you must loosen the terminal screws and insert the wires beneath them. Tip: to make this step easier, hook the wires in the shape of a J and secure them around the bottom right of the screws so that when you tighten the screws clockwise, the wires are moving clockwise with the screws. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which screw. Make sure the wires are seated into the grooves of the mounting bracket and aren't touching. Now tighten the screws. It's time to attach your Trim 2 Pro. Slightly loosen the screw at the bottom of the mounting bracket by turning it counterclockwise. Never fully remove the screw because it can drop and become lost. If you turn the doorbell over, you'll notice 2 plastic tabs on top. Those tabs must attach to the top of the mounting bracket first. Hook the tabs on the top of the doorbell camera into the notches on the top of the mounting bracket. Press the bottom face of the doorbell camera. Make it flush with the mounting bracket. Now tighten the set screw on the bottom of the mounting bracket to secure the doorbell camera. Remember to do so by hand, never with a drill. Turn back on the power to your doorbell and chime. Please allow 15 minutes for your device to charge before continuing onto the syncing process through the SkyBell HD app. During this time, your doorbell will flash red, blue. If your doorbell is flashing red and blue for longer than 15 minutes, contact customer service. Step 4. Finish setup with SkyBell HD app. While powering up your device, download the SkyBell HD app on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account and log in. Add a new SkyBell and follow the instructions from the app. If you install a digital doorbell adapter, after following the instructions to sync your device, don't forget to go to Settings and enable Digital Door Chime to ensure the digital doorbell adapter is recognized.